Hello, my name is Megan McCarver, and today I want to show you a quick tutorial on how to take the legs up the wall if you have long hamstrings. So if you're a practitioner that can transfer from standing to seated pose and seating pose to the floor, and you know you can take a forward bend with straight legs, then this pose is for you. Okay, so to begin for this practice, we're going to use two blankets, and they're folded like so, and you can use a towel. The folded edge is facing away from the wall, maybe 1/4 of an inch away from the wall, like so. Good. Then you're going to park your bottom towards the wall to the edge of your blanket, like you're back parking your car into a parking spot. And when your hips touch the wall, because I lean back, my feet are to the side, I'm going to lower my outer hip to the edge of the blanket. Then I'm going to dip my shoulder down, and I'm going to roll, taking my legs up the wall. Now this might take a few times until you find it. It's important not to turn your head when you're in this position. So now I can feel my hips are not centered, but up, which is good. So now I'm going to use my elbows to steer my torso over and bend my knees to center up. Next, the blanket has to be on the tops of the hips, not the lumbar spine. The tops of the hips, not on your under your waist. So the tops of the hips includes your bum. Feels very nice on my lower back. My legs are up the wall. Then you can put your hands on your belly, shut off the light if you haven't already. And just practice relaxing your face and all those emotions, feelings and moods that cause compression and tension around your head, your thoughts, your words, your neck, inner speech, and your shoulders, what you carry on your back. And let that all release as your belly begins to relax here. Now the instructions to come out. Please bend the knees a little bit, planting the feet on the wall. You can lift your hips up a little, pull the blankets out, and lower the hips down. Take the blankets over the belly. Rest. Feels very good on my lower back. And then the final exit is bending the knees, and it's important to roll to your right. So take your right arm overhead and roll to your right. Now you're all curled up. Take 3 long deep breaths, and then use your top hand and elbow to come pressing up and out of this pose. So that was today's mini little tutorial, less than 5 minutes, on how to take the legs up the wall before nighttime. It's an unwinding new habit to add for better self-care. Thank you. Bye-bye.